Welcome! In this video, we'll teach you how to make the Robots on Mars project from BitBlock. First, we'll tell you how to physically build the robot. And what will you need in general for the project? You will need glue, tape, scissors, and the printouts, apart from the sensors. Well, you will need the Zoomcore 2.0, a detector de luz, a detector de ultrasonidos, and two servos de rotación continua. Continue by printing out everything that you will need. That is how they will look like, and then you will cut them following the lines on the outside but not the striped ones. You will fold all the striped ones in, and then that should be your results. Then we're gonna make sure that the two bottom parts stay together, so you will glue the stripes beneath the other ones, as you can see here in the video, so it stays together and becomes one, just like that. Now, from the top part, you need to get the sensor de ultrasonidos and the sensor de luz and put them through the holes. As you can see, it's pretty intuitive. Where there is two holes, you will put the sensor de ultrasonidos so it sticks out like if it were eyes, and on the back you will put the sensor de luz. And then you will put the cables in the hole there is so it can stay all connected together. You will have to stick just the top parts of the bottom of the robot together, but you have to leave a flap so it can act as a door for you to put your sensors in and out. After this, you will put the two servos de rotación continua bottom parts, and you also have to add something from the bottom. We used a glue lid to act as a point of support for the wheels. After done this, you'll have the bottom part and the top part all done, so you'll just have to join them together. And together, you just have to put the cables from the top through the hole that is also in the top of the bottom part. You will join all the sensors and put everything inside the robot, and that will be it. The programming part. And for the programming part, you will need two BitBlock apps. You will need BitBlock Robotics and BitBlock Apps. We will start off by BitBlock Apps. You will first need to download all the pictures that you will need to create the app for the phone. You have the link over here so you can do so. We're going to start by adding the background like this way. So you have to coincide with everything, and you will do the rest with adding like boxes in the components. You have to create a chart and then put the boxes or the buttons. You will have to put it there. You have to remove the color of the background and add the image of what you want it to be. You also have to change the name, so when you're programming you know which one is which, because if not they will all have the same names, and that is how it should look in the end. Move down to the components parts, and you will have to put everything like this, following those instructions so that it works properly. Now we can move on to the robotics parts. The first thing you have to ensure is that you have all the sensors in the same place, in the same points as you have them in the app. So if you have the ultrasonidos in pin number 6, you also have to have it in person in pin number 6, because if not, it don't work. After this, you simply have to again copy all these components and all these variables in the loop part, so everything works properly. Here you can see all the programming. From this, you'll have to download everything onto the placa in the Zoomcore 2.0, and that you'll have to compile all the code to make sure it's correct, and then as you can see here, you'll have to download it, the placa. Right now I didn't have anything to show you, but the name of the placa would be there, and then you press connect and it would send everything. And you have to download everything into the app, and you do this, I'm showing you here. You press that button and it generates a QR code and a code for the app. How do you do this? Well, on your phone or iPad, you download the app BitBlock Pocket. Once you do this, you go in and it allows you to scan a QR code or put your own code, which will allow you to use the app properly. Once you've downloaded the app, you will have to connect it to your Zoom core, VIP Zoom, by Bluetooth. And once you've done this and everything is well, it should work, and it works exactly like this. When you press one of the buttons, the wheels move in that direction. As you can see, ours right now is not moving because there was too much weight on the back, so because we had the wheels and the cable and everything to ensure that it worked.